We admit it, we love the 2020 Ram 1500, but we love our Ram just a little bit more. Okay, we love our Ram a lot more. Hey, it's Justin with Summit Racing here, and we're going to show you how over the course of a couple weeks, we were able to turn our Ram into a real head turner. With some bolt-on parts, new aftermarket innovations, and just basic hand tools. In other words, these are awesome upgrades anyone can make happen in their own garage. Here we go. What's the first thing people want to change on their cars and trucks? Yup, wheels and tires. Summit Racing offers a wide range of wheel brands and styles, but we went with the KMC Dirty Harry Series matte bronze wheels. We wrapped our KMC Dirty Harry Series wheels in Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ P3 tires. To make room for the bigger wheels and tires, we added the ReadyLift SST lift. These are the first ever mild rear lift kits that allow you to use larger wheel and tire combinations, while keeping and maintaining OE ride quality and handling. ReadyLift uses something called smart suspension technology to make these kits very user-friendly to install and require no cutting. With the larger wheels and tires under our lifted truck, we took the opportunity to recalibrate the speedometer with the zAutomotive Tazer. The Tazer has so many features and unlocks so many options with your truck that it would take an entire standalone video to cover them. So we made one. Be sure to check out that video and see what this amazing product can do. The Ram is a good looking truck for sure, but we've added some cosmetic items to accent our Ram's rugged looks. The Stealth Laser Torch Series grille gives our truck a more aggressive appearance up front, and the Fab 4 Matrix Series bumpers complement this aggressive look. Winch ready and slim fitting, the front bumper provides style and utility for our truck. Made from tough 3/16" steel and finished in protective 2-stage black powder coat, it's equipped to hold a 30-inch LED light bar, 4 cube LED lights, and a 12,000-pound winch. Finally, AMP Research power steps help us get in and out of our truck when we need to, and they automatically fold away when we don't need them. That means improved ground clearance, aerodynamics, and appearance. For our truck bed, we couldn't have just gone the tonneau route, or with a traditional toolbox or utility box, but we wanted something different, so we added a decked in-vehicle storage system. Decked simply gives you more storage options, and we couldn't resist having a little fun with it. While we're not sure what the road, trail, or work site is going to throw at our Ram, we wanted to be prepared for anything, and that means having a trusty winch. So we selected the Warren Xeon 12S winch, which offers 12,000 pounds of pulling power, but is lighter in weight than comparable winches at similar pulling capacity. The nice thing about this winch in particular is that it has a convertible control pack which can be attached to the winch or remotely mounted, allowing for various winch mounting options and looks. Using a Warren control pack relocation kit, we selected a convenient spot under the hood for our winch control. We can't do a Summit Racing project without adding a little extra power and performance. Well, we didn't go crazy on this project, but we did bolt on a couple nice aftermarket parts to help us get a little more power and a little more aggressive sound. Plus, we consider these gateway items that help us take maximum advantage of any future upgrades. We went with the MBRP Black Series catback exhaust to maximize flow and match the rest of our blacked out parts on the truck. The Black Series exhaust are built from aluminized steel with a durable high heat black powder coat finish. Fully mandrel bent tubing with minimal bends and degree angles allow for the exhaust to exit quickly. With the exhaust flowing a little better, it was time the 5.7 Hemi got a little more air. So we went with the S&B cold air intake kit. Its cross-linked intake tube is designed to minimize restriction, and the custom airbox keeps loose dirt and turbulent underhood air out of the intake, which all helps maintain maximum airflow. Finally, you've got to have lights. Lots of lights. Our T-Rex grille already incorporated a light bar, but we also added a Summit Racing LED light bar into the front bumper, along with a set of off-road LED light cubes. A trigger control system 6-shooter gives us control of our new lighting, and we didn't even have to touch the firewall to wire it up. The 6-shooter gives you wire-free remote control of the extra truck accessories, such as the auxiliary lighting. More power, more style, and more utility. That's what our 2020 Ram is all about. So what's stopping you? Shop SummitRacing.com to get your truck project fired up. I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks for watching.